Now we are going to solve the fourth problem in chapter 7, properties of matter. First I will explain the meaning of the problem. Here a block of silver that is dipped or immersed within the liquid, and the mass of the silver block is not known. It is taken as x. The relative density of that silver block is 10, and the relative density of the liquid, whose value is also given, that is 0.72. The block of silver that is suspended with the help of a string, there this much amount of tension is acting. The tension value is 37.12 Newton. You are asked to calculate the mass of the silver block. So this problem to be calculated and solved with the help of Archimedes principle. First you have to calculate the density of silver and density of liquid. Density of silver, how it can be calculated? Very simple formula. The RD, relative density of silver, that is to be multiplied by density of water. Are you clear? So 1000 kg per meter cube is the density of water. Substitute here 10 into 1000 kg per meter cube. So you will get 10,000 kg per meter cube. That is the value of density of silver. That can be named as rho. Rho of Ag. So we can assign some symbols. After that we have to find out the density of liquid. Density of liquid is equal to RD of liquid, that is given, and density of water. Are you clear? Substitute now. RD of liquid is 0.72 into 1000 kg per meter cube. After multiplication you will get 720 kg per meter cube. 720 kg per meter cube. So this is the density of liquid. For liquid, sigma can be used. Sigma of whom? The liquid can be written. So these two values are very important for our further calculations. So whenever the silver, when it is immersed within the liquid, some amount of liquid will be displaced. So imagine that some amount of liquid is displaced here. So we can call it as displaced liquid. What is the name of the thing called? This is called displaced liquid. Can you understand? Displaced liquid. The volume of the Ag block, volume of the silver block and volume of the liquid displaced, both of them will be same. Are you clear? Whenever any solid object, when it is immersed inside the liquid, what will happen? You can calculate the apparent weight. Apparent weight is nothing but it's a virtual weight cast due to the immersion of the solid within the liquid. Now I am going to calculate the apparent weight of the silver. How to calculate the apparent weight of the silver? The apparent weight of the silver, that can be calculated by apparent weight of silver is equal to actual weight. Are you clear? Real weight, actual weight of silver minus, because of the immersion some amount of liquid is displaced. No, the displaced liquid, its weight must be taken. Okay, so weight of the liquid displaced, that must be taken. Weight of the liquid to be taken. Are you clear? So we know the formula for weight. Weight can be calculated by multiplying m into g. So here mass of Ag. Mass of Ag means okay, that immersed object is which one? That silver, no? Mass of silver can be written minus mass of the liquid displaced, that is also to be multiplied by G. Can you understand? Here we know very well that density is equal to mass per volume. Density is equal to mass per volume. That is a fundamental formula. Density is equal to mass per volume. Therefrom we can obtain the equation for mass. M is equal to rho into V. Here this is for Ag, this is for liquid displaced. Instead of Ms, instead of mass of silver, we can write this equation. Rho V, rho means rho of whom? Ag into V into G minus, this is about liquid. So we can write it as sigma of whom? Liquid. Same volume of liquid is displaced. Therefore, volume of the Ag and volume of the liquid displaced both are same, and G can be written. In the next step, we can write this V and G both can be written as a common factor. Rho minus sigma can be written. Are you clear? So here Vg in bracket, already we have calculated the rho of Ag and rho of liquid. 10,000 minus 720. Are you clear? Both can be substituted. After substitution, you will get 9280. 9280 Vg you will get. This is called, what is this? Apparent weight of Ag. Apparent weight of Ag is calculated. Okay. Now this apparent weight of the silver, apparent weight of the silver when it is immersed inside the liquid, that is equal to tension acting in the string. Tension acting in the string. Okay, both can be equated. Are you clear? So the tension acting in the string is already given. How much? 37.12 Newton. Apparent weight of the silver, that one was already calculated. Okay, so the apparent weight is equal to 9280 Vg. 9280 V and G. V is nothing but volume and G is acceleration due to gravity. From this we are able to get the volume of the liquid displaced or volume of the Ag block can be calculated. Volume of the liquid and volume of the silver block both are similar. Therefore, V can be kept in one side. 37.12 divided by 9280 into G can be written. Are you clear? So after simplification, you will get 37.12 divided by 9280 into 9.8 can be written. V is equal to, if it is calculated, you will get 37.12 divided by 9280 into 9.8, value is 90944. 909, both have to be multiplied. 90944. Okay. So after division, you will get the answer as 4.0. 4.0 into 10 to the power of minus 4. Okay, this is a smaller number, this one is a bigger number. After that, you will get this value. So this is the volume of the, which one? That liquid displaced or Ag block. So volume of the AG is calculated. From the volume, it is very easy to calculate the mass of the AG block. Very simple. What is the formula? Again, I am introducing. What is this? Rho is equal to mass per volume. Mass of the AG is equal to rho of AG into volume of AG. This is the formula. Rho of AG was already found out, that is 10,000 kg per meter cube. Here also we can write meter cube into 4 into 10 to the power of minus 4. Both can be cancelled. Here 10 to the power of 4 is there, here 10 to the power of minus 4 is there. So finally you will be getting 4. So mass of the AG block is 4 kg. Are you clear? By using Archimedes principle, we have found out the mass of the AG. Okay, very wonderful problem. Okay.